If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Expert.ai, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log in. Access your Expert.ai account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. In the transfers section, find the specific pending transfer you wish to cancel. Review the details to ensure it is the correct transaction. Step 4. Select Cancel option. Click on the pending transfer to open its details. Look for the Cancel option or button and select it to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel the transfer. Confirm your choice to finalize the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transfer on Expert.ai. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.